What I have going on here today is when you want to use the shower and you pull the diverter up, plenty of the water is still coming out of the bottom and it's not diverting all of it up to the top. So what we'll do is replace this entire piece here for the diverter. Sometimes gets gunked up there over the years, and we'll go ahead and replace that. What you're going to want to do, if there's caulking on here, take a putty knife and cut the caulking off. Next, what we'll do is take and turn it counterclockwise and unscrew it. Okay, this one previously had some Teflon tape on there. We'll go ahead and remove that, and then we'll apply some new Teflon tape. So to apply our Teflon tape, they call it tape, although it's not sticky. What you're going to want to do is place it on there as you're looking at it. Pull it tight while going clockwise around. And the very first thread, you don't need any Teflon tape on there. And just simply pull it and it'll snap right off. Next, what we're going to do is go ahead and screw our new tub spout on there. Line that up on there. Keep turning it till it's nice and tight. Last thing you're going to want to do is get some kitchen and bath pure silicone. And what we're going to do is put silicone around the top, but leave about a ½ inch open on the bottom, just in case this leaks a little bit. It'll go and run out that hole instead of going and backing up and getting inside your wall. So we'll go ahead and do that next. I'm just going to take my finger and smooth it out a little bit. I'll clean that up with a wet paper towel, let it dry, and you're all done.